Okay, guys, ever worried about GDPR or cookie compliance on your store, but didn't want an ugly pop-up ruining your design? This section solves that completely. Today we're adding this Cookie Consent Popup section, a clean way to handle cookie permissions without hurting your store's look. Let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click the first link. This takes you to the official store. Search for Section Kit in the search bar. This app makes building your store so much easier. Install it. It takes just a few seconds like any other app. Go to Explore Sections and search Cookie Consent Popup. Click More Info and purchase it. All details are listed below. I've already purchased this one, so let's close this and go to My Sections instead. There's the section. Click Customize, choose your theme, and it installs successfully. Open it in Theme Customizer. Give it a second to load. Click Add Section, search for it, and it'll be added instantly. Now let's customize it. Let's check if this matches the demo. Yep, same one. Let's change its position to bottom. It doesn't look great at the top. Worth mentioning, any change here takes about 3 seconds to load, which actually improves user experience. You can make it show instantly instead, but I wouldn't recommend it. Let's change the heading if you want, but honestly, it doesn't need changes. Below it, there's a description where you explain why you need cookies. Let's change this to subscribe. Yeah, that word again. Below that are 3 buttons for users: Allow All, Necessary Only, and Preferences. And below that, an option to add a logo. I'm selecting my app's logo now. You can add an overlay with opacity too, but I don't think that's necessary here. Let's change the background color to brown. Wait, the text isn't visible now. Don't worry. Let's change the heading color to white. Much clearer. You might not like this font though. Let's replace it with Poppins. Everything else looks fine, just bump up the font size a little, and there's a font family option here too if you want to change it further. Let's change the close button's color to white and hover color to black and test that it's actually working. Perfect. Working exactly right. And finally, adjust the logo's height, width, and overall size to fit your design better. Last but not least, decide how long a new visitor waits before this pop-up shows up, and how long the hover animation on these buttons lasts. If this doesn't click yet, trust me, once you see it in action, it will make total sense. After all that effort, do me one favor. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.